I'm Joy Diggs, registered dietitian and personal trainer. So today we're going to be making a spicy Kung Pao chicken, which is a quick stir-fry dish, which will give you a brand new way to make chicken as well as pack in the veggies. You're going to add in sliced red and green bell pepper. For your sauce, you'll need coconut aminos, water, ketchup or tomato paste, honey, rice vinegar, cornstarch, ginger, and sriracha sauce. Now whisk them all together very well. Add the garlic to a very hot skillet over medium heat so that it can start to cook. After cooking for a couple minutes, you're going to add in your chicken. Let the chicken sear, and then you can start to add in your vegetables. Make sure to stir it up so that the chicken doesn't stick to the skillet. Let the veggies cook for a few minutes, and then you're going to add your sauce. And you'll notice that it starts to thicken as it cooks, and that's from the cornstarch. So you want to stir occasionally just so that you can mix everything up very well and have everything cooked pretty evenly. Last but not least, you will sprinkle on the sesame seeds. And this is just the finishing garnish, the finishing touch for your dish. Enjoy!